Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the image and duplicating the background layer so you can undo or compare. Next, pick a removal tool. Spot healing for simple areas, patch for larger background patches, or clone stamp when texture matters. Set the brush to roughly 0, 5:1, 5 times the word height for controlled strokes. Once done, zoom to 100–200% to see edges clearly and make short passes rather than long sweeps. This keeps surrounding texture intact and reduces blending errors. Now you focus on blending. Sample nearby clean pixels and use small, varied clone stamp strokes so patterns remain natural. If the background is uniform, the patch tool can quickly fill the selection by dragging a matching area over the text. After patching, feather the edges and apply a light heel to remove seams. Make sure to check color and lighting, use levels or curves, or paint with clone at low opacity to nudge tone. As you work, toggle the duplicate layer to compare before and after. Finish by flattening a copy for export while keeping layers for future edits. Add a subtle noise or texture overlay to the fixed area so grain matches the rest of the photo, then perform local sharpening or softening as needed. Make sure to view at 100% and the final target size to confirm the fix looks natural. If you see halos or repeating patterns, use a small soft eraser or low-opacity clone stamp to break them up. This quick adjustment usually removes obvious artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.